Hello and welcome to the ChurchPlus YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us today. In this video, I will guide you through the process of setting up the ChurchPlus membership mobile app for your church. The mobile app enables members to easily access church contents, listen to devotions, watch live streams, share testimonies, and make donations. Additionally, the app also allows members to get job notifications, connect with other members, purchase spiritual materials like audiobooks and sermons, etc. Members can now carry their church with them wherever they go, thanks to this mobile app. To begin onboarding on the mobile app, please follow the steps provided below. These steps will ensure that the setup is done correctly. Step 1. Log into your ChurchPlus account using your login credentials. Access the mobile app by clicking the Setup Now button in your dashboard area or navigating to the menu area and click on Mobile Onboarding. After the page loads, click the Next button at the bottom and keep clicking the Next button a few more times until you reach the Get Started button. Upon clicking the Get Started button, you will be directed to your church profile setup page. The church name, phone number, and address will be automatically pre-filled. Add other information such as the vision and mission statement, service times, and about us. You can also add any branches you may have. Click on the blue Save and Continue button. Step 2. You will be directed to the social media page setup area. Learn how to generate your church YouTube channel ID by clicking the How to Get It button. Add your church social media handles and click the blue Save and Continue button. Step 3. Please upload your church logo and select your church brand color. Click on the Save and Continue button. Step 4. Click the Add button to set up your church bank account. Use the Add Donation Form button to set up online donations. Once you are done, click on the Save and Continue button. Please note, you need an active subscription for at least 12 months to complete the setup. If you don't have a 1-year active subscription, you will be directed to the payment page. To subscribe, use any of the 3 payment methods to make your payment. After a successful payment, you will receive an update confirming the payment was successful. Upon completion, click the Finish button. You will be directed to a page where you can copy a link for members to download the mobile app from the Play Store and App Store. Create your first post instantly and share it on your social media accounts directly from ChurchPlus platform. Congratulations! You have now successfully set up your church mobile app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with your pastor friends and admins. For any questions or support, please email us at support@churchplus.co. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.